Celebration. What is it? A piece of joke. Them not you then KK, come on, you don't know my pants them ever tight. I grease, I have to grease myself for going off my pants them, I have to grease up, man. I want to go with Buju and Marcus. Hey Marcus. Hey Marcus. Who is you if you call your father cokehead? Good morning, my sweetheart. Who is you if you call your father cokehead? And him a batty man. He must, Marcus. Why you want disgrace your father? Because if you understand it, on the Jamaican people, you see, anytime things don't go phone nowhere, why you don't know how it goes? Some days maybe sexy, some days maybe. You know it? Watch your prayer. Brother, you should have never do that to your daddy, dog. If me da Buju, me da kick you down too. I would have kick you down, box you down, you see me? Thank you, babe. You would get some kick and thump from you and you would believe, say, I'm a kick and thump you, say, no, Marcus, me I tell you the truth, my friend. How you around with? Call who cooked? When? You feel me? Ain't showing me no type of love. I tripped over something in the garden yesterday. You remember? Run on me hard this was the whole like tree them there. In the yard, man. Me did about me and swing up on tree, man, and trip and nearly dead, man. My face lick up. Angie, good morning, babe. Alright, Marcus. So Marcus, you're not supposed to drive. And you would know say Babylon do not like your father. Remember say Babylon just like your father a while ago. You take up the man car and drive it. For then they take away man car, Marcus. Marcus, for then they take away the man car. Huh? Marcus, I Mr. Myri's son. Marcus Myri Jr. I call him father Batman and him a cokehead. You know, say morning time I have to drink liquor tea. I have to drink liquor tea and burn one liquor spliff. You understand me? I need a haircut, daddy. Alright, Marcus, now me go snap. Marcus, if me ever feel like in my mind, me can't ever say that till Laverne one day, mommy kick me back to the same place you bring me back here, bring me come here, so. Marcus, let me tell you what Buju should have done. Let me tell you what your father should have done. He should have catch you and tie you up in front of all of your friend them and chew some honey on you and let go one amount of hands on your daddy. You understand me, I did? Marcus, I'll know you fear get licked. You understand me, I did? I'll know you forget a thump in your throat, daddy. Daddy, you forget in your head, man. One big brawl go on because after him do this social media thing, him father, I figure link him and ask him what the shreps. Oh, Tinky, why you feel like you need to do this? Daddy, you understand what I deal with? My friend, my friend, I some big kicking getting daddy. Big kick and thumb from Babylon doing like your father, my friend. You know if you drive car, my friend, what you do in a car, my friend? And then when the man tell you say don't drive him thing you want come go on like you're a bad man and I call him and Batman and cokehead. Members of the cokehead car you in a drive. Members of the Batman car that you drive say you're a Batman too. Yes man, how your father fi be a Batman and you're there. You understand me? I did not 1 or 2 hours there. Members say him love him car, him love him bike, him love him money and thing. But most of all, him love him browning. You understand me? I deal with so. That is Buju. I don't know if him for be no Batman, no Ray, no nothing. Buju is a realist. Buju are the realist. You feel me? I deal with them man, they do everything in a dance hall. Them man, they tell you positivity. Them man, they tell girls say you want to put them on in dive. You understand? Warm to you. Warm to you. Mr. Myrie, are the legend. The man a legend of reggae. Legendary. Your father. Because you know why I call Buju a legend? He man have dancehall tune too. And him do reggae. You understand what I deal with? So cross the board, the man is the man. You can't talk to Mr. Myrie, so Marcus. Who you? Eh? I know Buju should have not turn up in your throat that day. Inside, Baba. Go. Me a cuss. I don't want it. Me a smoke. Go inside, baby. Thank you. Big disrespect. You disrespect your father like a Batman. You call Buju Batman. Me call you Batman. Marcus, you're a Batman, Marcus. You better than Buju? So you do. You have a little record studio. You feel like. Who you? When your father died in prison, and you get to do everything for your father. Now your father come on road, and you fuck up yourself, you can't drive, and you drive out the man car, and the man say, rrr. And you go on like say, you know, you're so I go on my boy. Me know say my producer Marcus. Everybody know Marcus. When you know listen to a song and you hear them say Marcus. A Buju pitney them attack. You understand me I deal with? Marcus, when last you produce a hit song? You bad mind dog. You're a bad mind boy, Marcus. Let me tell you that. See your father just come back here. Look how long them hold him off. If he can't do a show, if he can't do this, if he can't rave, if he can't tell. You're a bad mind boy, Marcus. Let me tell you that. You drive out the man car, knowing say you know if you drive, and the man talk to your batty boy, and you go batty one up your father, and you go this up your father, and you go ray with your daddy. Marcus, you know say whole Jamaica for hold you and beat you, Marcus. Me not think a Buju alone did for lick you. Cause you know no manners, Marcus. You know no manners, my friend. Daddy, you calling your father cokehead and batty man. How you left the rest of the world if you do? Then tell you say you disrespect them where you ever get come from in the house where you live in. In your yard. Go on. In your yard the most disrespect come from the people in your yard this the most. You pit them, your cousin them, your uncle them, your auntie them, you all of them. Huh? Boy, Marcus, I wish me see if you can thump in your mouth like right now. Which boy I call for that? Who I call Trump? Everybody I call Trump from what they like Trump is a nice man. Who I call who? If no make no sense, hold on, Shana, let me tell you something. It's not no make no sense. Cherry Boo, what go on? It's not no make no sense. Thanks. Yes, you're right though. Marcus bad mind Buju, and that is just the truth. Marcus, a bad mind I do this. Oh, thanks. Only can see my freckles them? Nice. This man just come from jail, from prison. Look how Buju are humble since he gone yard. You Marcus? Because none of us don't really know Buju for being no kind of troublemaker, Marcus. So automatically you get the whole of the wrong, Marcus. Because we don't know Gargamel for be a troublemaker. But if you this Gargamel really can't do it, but them and they're not troublemaker, Marcus. So you automatically get the wrong when you come on social media deal with your father suffer. That me get to realize with enough people from the other day. That's why me I say it for myself too. It go for me and it go for everybody else. Because trust me learn out of social media. Brother, and I just say if you go trash your father when you am Buju. Buju humble youth. The man come and I get ready for him show today, the biggest talk of the town for how long now. A bad mind, you bad mind, you know, daddy. A bad mind, you bad mind, youth. You know, too blood clot bad mind, dog. What do you? You say, uno down in Jamaica there? Some uno mind does bad city, uno mind, uno does, uno mind does bad. Oh, fuck up. Marcus, a Buju car. You lick down people, Marcus. Marcus, make we talk your business. You clap down somebody with the car. So they don't want you for your drive. Waiting for Buju car. What? I say you hate your daddy? You know, say Babylon just released the man. Babylon just released the man. I say you hate your father, dog? When they catch you, you know that the car, you know, with Marcus, they might take a Buju car automatically. Buju involved in a fucker again, you know, daddy. I must. I want to you, man, then you bed. Everybody that knows Buju the man to take care of him, pitney them. None of them pitney them, nothing bad to say about him. He man take care of him, you them. So if you all Marcus come and go on, so right now Marcus he is ungrateful. Move, you ungrateful. Move. Hey, me boss up and you do the light again. Brother, let me tell you this, brother. You is ungrateful. Pitney like you make you mama and papa then sorry say them fucking night. Remember that. I want car, take out Buju car, him no. Say always a clatt down people with the car. Boy. Oh, you mean and the man take care of all of them? Huh? Boy, Marcus, let me tell you this. But me could have start as Jamaican pitney there with Marcus. He look like when phone parents them boss who no grow different. Because Marcus, make me tell you this in a daddy. If at any day in my life me feel like me no want day no further, make me go up on social media go say something like that about Laverne. Huh? It's like, true, my mother and a queen of dancehall and a dancehall artist, it's like me grow different. And it's like the rest of us also grow different because we know. You kill with that. You hear me? They don't give a fuck about we age, you know, brother. But Marcus, me can't cuss with you. Guy look like a true your father boss. Make you can go on, so. My mother will mash me up, man, and broke me up, put me in a coma, man. You know much how nice Jamaica lose on the roots. The Jamaicans don't lose their roots. When my mother done tapping on me tribe, them fly to me body hole, Marcus. Me I tell you that. Trouble. You know what trouble did, eh? Trouble did who? You know what I'm going to trouble did you, Marcus? Trouble did you, man? Mr. Marcus, you see what you do? Make me try it. Me say I show me body hole, me tribe them. When mommy tapping on my belly, me tribe them fly to me body hole, man. Me I tell you. Marcus, you take a rabbit mind, brother. I want a rabbit mind you have. Remember like me? Marcus, you make me develop a habit to smoke. Damn, you know when mommy does them, we take out money out of her purse, I'm gonna do it. Then me not try to tell you, Marcus, fuck up. Worse. Jesus, yeah. The studio Buju money, Marcus will carry a Buju money. What the fuck? How are you? Myri? Give him pit to them hard. Yes, to be a deal, you don't see it. We should have Myri pit to them when you contact bad about him more than Marcus. You want to do what you want to do with the man shit. And you go have your audacity to call your father cokehead and batty, man. But Marcus, you look like a worse cokehead, man. You're a cokehead. You take a cokehead if you know a cokehead, you know. That's true, they wouldn't go against Buju for real, man. I likes Marcus, I look for your this in father, so because your father the hot topic. So you just want for your name to call because your name not called from what you know, Marcus. So you just want your name in something. You're too bumbuckler enough, man. You're too enough. Bum bye in a batty boy. Eh. So if you call your father batty, man. They want flash Buju money and chew Buju come out of prison and richer than how him go in there. And that Marcus a bad mind in father for. Buju is a humble fucking man, daddy. My God, Marcus. Why no, Marcus? Why no? Because to me, it look like you tried to do something for Buju go jail so you man not get fair. If you do him sure. And that may I see no, Marcus, because bad mind does a circle your hands, so brother. Him father a legend right now. So that's why him feel like him have to disrespect him father right now. You mad, Jody love her father bad, you mad? You mad? Right now, probably Jody want to tell Marcus in my mouth. Remember that me try to tell you.
Inside.
You mad? Oh, you have to say that, boy, your daddy. Him feel, oh you mean? Your father a legend, you're supposed to look up to him, have manners to him. If daddy say no, you have to say yes, my legend. If your father school you, have to say yes, my legend. My legend, me not do that again. Respect my legend. The show was sold out, it officially sold out. Marcus, you bad mind. Good morning. Him know him father work, man. Only when people know your work, then deal with yourself. No make nobody tell you nothing. Marcus a madman. Then at that me I try to tell you, man. You can't carry. Then if you feel like say you're 20 this or 30 that or 40 and you can't take correction, that means you will never learn. You have to continue the one bag of fucker for the rest of your life. If you're not learn, you have to learn, brother. But you're a good man. The whole owners in pitney them. Sorry, Mr. Legendary Buju. You actually don't even know the whole how we feel hurt. If you know say you look out for your youth them and I saw Marcus one day. You know all numbers, dog. You know all numbers. Oh, clatt. What the man them meds gone? Marcus, I can't diss you. Because I made diss you before, I'm sorry. Because I can't come right and try to correct you if you diss your father and make go diss you, you know. But pardon that 1 minute when I go diss you. Marcus, a man like you, man fuck. When you love likes and run gains too much, when nobody get wet easy for grease. You feel me I deal with daddy? Brother, everybody knows that daddy have him own, papi have him, mommy have him own. God bless the people we have him own. Jesus. Boy, you want poison. You want poison, Marcus. Me I tell you this, Marcus. You see all right now? No artist no for your voice for you, Marcus. Marcus, you just one waste man, one real natural waste man. And one time I say waste man, you're born with the integrity if you turn waste man long time. You see time when you sit down right this boy, you say you had this all Buju. Marcus, do your own thing. You see all the way you do this hype, but what you think you have are your father money. Remember that. No five people were vice for you. I show you Buju pitney. You feel me I deal with? Marcus, remember say you are not a topic. No one knows you is a fucking producer. Your father is a legend, that's how we know you. We don't know if you've ever been a great man for respect or rate or like. Ain't daddy? We don't know you. Marcus, how are you, man? The only time you can tell me your name when Vanessa bling this Marcus. You understand how I'm telling Marcus? Go sit down in one corner for a man box across the eye corner, daddy. I want to tell you, boy. Let me tell you this, my friend. I wish Buju did catch you and just drop 10 conk in your head top, daddy. Just like your big conk in your big brother, daddy. Me I tell you, daddy. You feel me I do it? Or when you pass Buju, you just stretch out him foot and make you drop and bust up the wall of your face on the concrete, daddy. Eh? Me wish Buju did come down the wall and little followers and just give you one box each. Some people will lose them father and lose them mother. Wish them mother and father did there, but you have your father there. You call him and Batman and cocaine. Waste man bombard Marcus. Buju is such a good man. Oh yo, a Buju make we like you, Marcus. Remember, if Buju never your father, I won't even know you. You hear that? A Buju, I bring your respect throughout the street. People respect your father, not you. You understand what I deal with? And then happy say Buju pitney, the turn producer. You know we don't know you. You know we don't know you. If the man I did Batman, my friend, remember saying your father did that jail for the same song when you sing Bong Bye Bye in a Batman face.
Somebody send you.
Oh, for
We change up to coffee.
for the yeah, laundry? Alright. Yo, one thing me I tell you. But you shouldn't still a tap in your seed. Just a kick your seed them up in your blood cleated. You're not serving a purpose, Marcus. Ungrateful people like you, no forget a shine. Ungrateful people like you. You see how what you feel like you have? You're not serving no purpose. You pass 18, go on for your own now. Me a batty man and cokehead. Go on. Go do your thing. Go on. Marcus, who are you? You are Buju's son. That is what we know you as. We don't know you as what we say. We don't know you. We don't know you. We know you as Buju's son. No, for we not even do say no. Now I'm not talking about me, you know. Marcus, me talk about enough people not even did know say you're a producer. Nobody don't know you. You ungrateful, bad mind, bumble you. You need a lock off them to lock you off, daddy. You need a lock off, man. Your father will lock you off, man. Wanna live lavish because of the same man where you call Batty man and this and rare. The man where you call Batty man, and him make you live lavish. We don't know now. We don't know what mama say about all of this. But she must shame. And if she not shame, she has same thing like her son, ungrateful. Me I tell you, so nobody never hear of Marcus till this happen. Marcus, there's a lot of us who don't even know you. And your father we know. The whole of we as Jamaicans know your daddy. There is not one Jamaican can tell us you don't know Buju. Everybody know Buju. International Buju. Globalized Buju. We don't know you. Call Trump for taking daddy. Make Marcus suck out my body hole. He can't call Trump for take the body. Trump want to hear from Marcus. Who is Marcus? Marcus, you can't call Trump. He is a big disgrace. When you feel like say certain kind of people when you can take up phone and call, you know. Like when you can call this and when you can call no blood clot body. The man doing time and dying hard already. Yes, let me tell you, Marcus, you need to go back to school. You know? Because you can't lock up a man for the same thing twice. You're a fool. Boy, the concert, I know it go loud. From Buju touch Jamaica, empowered done. The man serve him time, yeah, so. And the man reach back and yard and Buju don't do nothing, and you do something, and you figure out jail. Right now. You drive, if you don't, and you know enough you drive. You do something, this man do nothing since he come out of jail more than just be humble. Humble, Buju. Yo, let me tell you this. You see people when you take care of the most of them, this is the most. Right now, the white people play a Buju. A Marcus a cokehead that this me that go if you go tell you right now say Marcus a cokehead and known cokehead that. Marcus a cokehead. Because only a cokehead could have see the biggest thing in a reggae right now. I walk on street and I go to big concert and dep on internet and this him so. Yeah man. Yeah man. Marcus a your cokehead man, me I tell you that. Oh, Gregory Isaac. So no mix up, you know. But Gregory did tell her that for himself, night nurse. And she alone can't quench this your thirst. Him never did really talk about the nurse, he talk about coke. Yeah, that's how they be a deal with. So, them the man they talk, saying bun coke, you know. Yeah, that's how they be a deal with. A couple of the man bun coke, you know. But me just a say. Me I tell you, a madman have Buju back, man. I try to tell you. Nah, the only thing me here would coke with Buju and then catch him. Them catch him. I go sell coke. And that me do. But never hear them catch him and take coke. I want to tell my friend. Not hear that. What Buju friend then set him up? Yeah, man, night nurse. And that night nurse stand for cocaine. Yeah, man. Alright, do you mean? Then that's the reason, man. All you there talk about coke. Well, you look like the man push coke for saying you go to school, the man DJ if you go to school and sing if you go to school. That means your father is a him is a multitasker. Everybody a multitasker and does a make money then. You can't cuss a man like that, Marcus. You can never see Buju money, Marcus. May I tell you that. You see the money that your dad have, you can never see it. Them man they fermentate themselves in a this. Him man is a brand. Buju is a brand. Because all white people hear you talk about your father, Marcus. Yeah, Marcus, I must coke specialist. A coke specialist. Or are you a coke god? You know something about coke? Your father is a brand, you're bad mind, and Buju will love you. I was sorry for you like a batty man son I go on with right now because I'm going to fish behave them way there. You run against and love likes Marcus, a man going to fuck you. Remember me tell you that. Yo, have a pleasant day, I love you.